how to download Cursor on your Mac. I'm right here on the main Cursor page where you can download the app. All you need to do is click my link in the video description. You get a little offer here depending on what kind of offers Cursor have on at the moment when you actually click that link, but you'll get some benefits there by clicking my link. Right at the very top, all you need to do is click this download for Mac OS button. I'm going to click that one, and that will instantly save the app to your downloads location. So on the Mac, you'll have a downloads location. Mine by default, I'm on Google Chrome. It goes straight into the main downloads folder. All you need to do is open up that DMG. You open up that file, you install the app, and you're ready to use Cursor as it is. So I'm just scrolling down this main page here. Encourage you to click on my link, check out Cursor, get all the benefits that you do with this coding agent. It's pretty awesome. I've been using Cursor for probably about 1.5 years now. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.